In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a wishlist board on Shein. This process is a great way to organize your shopping experience on the site, allowing you to save and categorize items you love for easy access later. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Shein website. Once there, it's important to log into your account using your login credentials. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up. It's a quick and simple process. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll locate the heart icon, which represents your wish list. Click it, or alternatively navigate to your wish list or saved items section via the menu options available. This is the starting point where all the magic happens. Inside your wish list, you'll want to search for a tab or option labeled Boards. Depending on your device, this may appear in different formats, especially on a desktop. Often you'll see two tabs labeled Items and Boards within your wish list. So if you're on a desktop, simply click on the Boards tab. Now within the Boards tab, you'll notice a button or option reading something along the lines of Create Board or plus New Board. By clicking on this, you're about to set up a new board, which will serve as your personalized collection space for various themed items. After you've clicked to create a new board, it's time to get a bit creative. You'll need to enter a name for your new board that will help you recognize its purpose at a glance. Consider names like Summer Finds, Gift Ideas, or Shoes I Love. After naming your board, be sure to click Create to finalize its establishment. If you want to add specific items to your new board straight away, you can do this easily. Head back over to the Items tab from your wish list. Gather items by selecting them. You can do this by choosing one or more pieces you're interested in. For each item, click Add to Board and pick the board you've just created from the list of options. Now, you've crafted your very own wishlist board. You can revisit your board anytime via the Boards tab. As you continue browsing, feel free to add more items, edit the contents, or reorganize your collections as it suits you best. And that's it. A simple yet effective way to keep your favorite Shein products organized and just a click away. Thanks for watching and enjoy crafting your perfect shopping experience.